What we've really started to do is align the curriculum in 5 through 8 so that it builds in a consistent way, and so that we're sending kids to the high school with a foundation in computer science, because whether they want to go into computer science or not, it just touches everything, so we want to make sure they have that foundation. I'm Misty Schuneman. I'm the Director of Secondary Education here at Lake Central. My role is to support grades 5 through 12 here at Lake Central, curricularly, instructionally, setting up professional development, and then really curriculum mapping. And that's where the meat of it is for us. When we get together and we're in a room, we're looking at the standards, we're looking at the CodeHS lessons, and really aligning, because we've got 3 middle schools. And so we started to implement more of the coding instruction, which is when we partnered with CodeHS.
So specifically in our district, I am the only high school computer science teacher. I get a lot of students who take my class a little bit later in their high school career and wish they had known about it or wish they had tried it earlier. So I have a really big part to play in this middle school part, because I want these 8th graders to like this class, to want to learn more, and to come to my class and make my pathway even bigger. And I requested that the 8th grade teachers teach in Python, because I teach my principles class, my intro class that you were in today, in Python as well.
Each time we go through this loop.
What is she seeing when they get to her that needs to be amped up? One of those was Python, and that's where CodeHS has really come into play for us. Because now, instead of teaching different programming languages, we're taking the same programming language and we're adding to it each year, so that by the time they get to the high school, they have more of an advanced knowledge. I love how customer support is the best I've ever seen out of any provider. First, I can get a hold of somebody immediately by the chat. They have an answer to me, if not immediately, within the next 24 hours, and I really appreciate that, especially if we're struggling on site with kids right then.
CodeHS also has curriculum built that we could just take and use. You know, as the state requirements came out, we were partnering and talking with CodeHS frequently and sending documents over. Hey, here's what our team is working on. And then they would share, here's what our team is working on. And you know, we said, okay, we want it to be Python for 8th grade.
I actually did the CodeHS lessons myself as a teacher, which I think really helped me prepare. I also like that within the kids' activity, I can pull up the solutions and see what CodeHS has decided is the best path to go through and code that lesson, or what their thoughts were, because our thoughts sometimes are different than what the graders' thoughts are. But the PD that I did through CodeHS is really what prepared me to use CodeHS.
So our next layer is to align K-12 and to really be able to spell out, what does that look like when a kindergartner starts in Lake Central? What does their computer science journey look like? We don't have it all figured out. And you know, we've had growing pains and things like that, but when we can match our students with opportunities that are out there in the real world, then that's what we do.